All right, boys and girls, we're going to do an IC today on harmful microorganisms and beneficial microorganisms. Let's go over our norms. Read the norms. You guys have them right there.
Be respectful.
Talk more.
Okay.
Talk less. Active listener. And share ideas.
Okay. Is there anything you want to add to our norms?
Don't be rude.
Eye contact. Yeah, we have it over here on our big norm board, bulletin board. But you're right. I think eye contact is talk less, active listener, eye contact.
Be respectful.
Yeah, we're always respectful. That's number one. We are always respectful. We added eye contact. Anything else you want to add to these? Yasiel, anything else you want to add? Anybody else? Adriana? Be kind. Okay, that kind of goes with be respectful. We're going to put a little bullet under there. We're going to be kind.
Stay on topic.
Oh, I like that. Okay, so share ideas, but we're going to stay on topic.
Yeah, so don't be talking about what we're going to do tomorrow for recess.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Liz, that's right. We're not going to talk about what we're going to be doing tomorrow for recess. We're going to stay on topic. And what is our topic that we're doing today?
Microorganisms.
Microorganisms. Okay. I'm going to hand everyone out a sticky note, and you're going to put your goal on it for today. Okay, there are goals up here on the smart board. Liz, move around over. Thank you. There's goals here on the smart board, and I want you to choose your goal, and I want you to write it down. Lindsay, can you hand some of these out for me, please? Go in the back and hand them out.
We just ran our norms right here, Ms. Reed.
Your goal. What is your goal for this activity? That's for Vanessa. What is your goal for this activity? Are you going to encourage others to talk and share their ideas?
Yeah.
Are you going to make comments and share your ideas? Are you going to allow others to complete their thought? Maybe you're going to be slow to speak and fast to listen. Listen to others and you build off their comments.
Can I have two more?
Is there any other ones? I have blank ones down here. You can fill in your own goal. Maybe you need to be an encourager. You can encourage others.
My goal is to be more quieter.
Okay, then write it down, Gabriel. Write it down. All right, I'm going to give each group their sort. You're going to need scissors and glue.
Can I borrow your scissors?
Yes. No, I'll get them behind the desk. How many groups are there?
There's some up here.
Adriana, I just said I'll go behind the desk. So please come out from there. Thank you.
You said she wasn't. Oh, I thought you said she wasn't.
I said what? Adriana? Adriana. Look at this, Adriana. All right, boys and girls. I'm going to sit this right here. Actually, can I have those goals over here? We're going to put these goals. We're going to set them over here so they're not in Vanessa's way.
My brother likes to put on chains because it makes it
Come sit over here. Gabriel, you want to switch spots? Come sit over here.
Where do I go?
You're going to sit in Melanie's spot. You'll stay there? She won't take Gabriel. You can go back. All right. So what do we have? So share your goals. What are some of your goals?
To be more quiet.
Okay. Well, you know what? Hang on a second, Gabriel. Because Edelyn was talking, so let's hear what Edelyn's goals are.
I contact.
Okay, you're gonna make eye contact. You're doing a very good job right now. Good job. What is your goal, Vanessa? Vanessa's gonna share her ideas. I have a goal for you too, Vanessa. And Edelyn, are you gonna help translate?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna translate for Lucia and for Melanie. What is your goal, Melanie? Can you say that? You too embarrassed? Your English is so good. She's gonna be an active listener. Lucia, you gonna talk more?
Because she doesn't really talk, so.
Okay. All
So
right.
I'm
Are you
like-
gonna help her share her
Yeah,
ideas?
I'm like, which one she's gonna pick? She like the
Maybe
second one.
Gabriel? That would be the wrong thing to do.
Alright.
What is your goal for this?
Okay.
Okay, that would be great. Okay, so let's do a really good job and have your listening ears on so you can listen to what the whole group is talking about. Okay? All right, so you're in control. I'm going to get my notepad and take notes while you guys start. Okay, I'll get scissors for you. We need some gluers, we need some scissors.
Oh,
Okay.
and Lucia needs to.
Okay, well, you guys can take turns.
Nothing. Today I will be cutting icing worms. That's very good.
Gabriel, do not talk to me.
Lo que vamos a hacer es poner lo que vamos a hacer es poner las cosas que no son. Esto no es bueno, ahora no es tan bueno como no. So, lo que vamos a hacer es que vamos a poner las cosas, unas comidas y cosas que no están malos o buenos. Cuando hicimos, primero
Start taking them apart.
y luego vamos a poner todas las cosas malas en la
Vas a aquello que no significa no sé.
bueno,
Esto es malo. Esto es malo porque tiene la caricatura.
All right, so let's give give everybody some of these. Gabriel, I just gave that for you to look at, just so you can see while they're trying to explain it to girls. Okay, so you're going to be looking for harmful and helpful microorganisms.
Isn't fully cheese just moldy cheese? And that's a bad thing. So
It's a bad thing?
mold is a bad thing.
Is it?
Yeah,
Why would you say that?
to get you sick.
Does it?
I believe so.
All right, well, we're going to discuss it. Let's give Gabriel some too.
I'm gonna cut half for me and you.
Wait, does it think of raw algae?
Just make sure you keep them together while we're working. Oh, maybe we should use this as No, Gabriel, not yet. We're going to do it as a group. We're doing it as a group.
And then leaving.
Alright, then make a pile of your papers. Your papers go together? Alright, Gabriel, bring your papers. Bring your papers.
Bacteria.
We're gonna do 2 papers. Alright, so everybody break your stack apart, so you each get one. Gabriel, sound good. And then you get a sign. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys do yours, okay? Alright, so who's starting?
Gabriel, wanna go next?
Well, do you agree with that? Do you agree that's harmful?
I agree.
Gabriel, you agree with that as well?
Salmonella.
Do you agree with that as well?
Yes.
You do? Well, have you ever heard of blue cheese dressing?
No.
You never heard of blue cheese dressing for a salad?
No.
Okay.
It's great.
Ringworm. Ringworm. Tell her it's like Yep. Wait, no. Gabriel, you wait your turn. You wait your turn, Gabriel.
Wanna go next?
Say what it is and ask everybody to say it.
Salmonella sounds like chicken.
I agree.
These 2 papers are not
So, bien o no?
Oh yeah.
Porque el pollo aquí que no yo sí, porque dice que el pollo que no
So she says it's bad.
yeah.
She said it's bad. Okay. Now it's Edelyn's turn. Are you listening, Gabriel? Bacteria. Yes, Gabriel, he agrees.
Gabriel, do you agree?
So you respectfully.
Respectfully, I do not agree.
So what do you? So tell us what you think.
Right. So bacteria test are used in that means bacteria that helps you like kind of like swallow your food and digest it. So it's really beneficial.
Okay. So what do you? Well, do you agree with that?
What's that book like?
Gabriel, I'm going to switch spots with you. I want you to sit right here. I want you to sit right here. Because I want you to be able to see what they're talking about.
You know the character.